Báwo ni ẹ̀yin tèmi? Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán tàbí ẹ káalẹ́, depending on your time zone and whenever you're seeing this video. You're welcome to another episode of our Yoruba classes. And in this lesson, we're going to be continuing on our Yoruba number system series. This is episode 5 in this series. You know, in episode 1, we took numbers 1 to 10. In episode 2, we took numbers 11 to 20. In episode 3, we learned how to count from 21 to 30. And in episode 4, we took whole number from 20 to 100. So today, we are going to continue from 100 to 200. And when I say we are going to 100 to 200, it doesn't mean we are going to count 101 to 200. We're just going to take the whole digits in between. So we are learning 110, 120, 130, 140, like that, straight to 200. And without further ado, let's just get the numbers on the board and we'll come back to the explanation. You're welcome back. Now, we have our numbers on the board from 110 to 200. So basically what we are just doing is looking at these numbers. How do you call them in Yoruba language? You know, in the previous video, we stopped at 100, which we call Ogorun. In case you've not seen that, just go through the channel and go to playlist. You'll see a playlist tagged Yoruba number system so that you familiarize yourself with the previous episode that precedes this one. If you can do that, it makes everything easy if you are finding it somehow hard to learn the Yoruba number. What is 110 in Yoruba? 110 is Àádọ́fà. Àádọ́fà. Do. Àádọ́fà. And 120 is Ọgọ́fà. Ọgọ́fà. 130 is Àádóje. And 140 is Ogóje. 150 Àádọ́jọ. And 160 is Ọgọ́jọ. 170 Àádọ́sàn. 180 Ọgọ́sàn. 190 Àádọ́wàá. And 200 is either Ọgọ́wàá or the most commonly used is Igba. So we have it here now. We have 110 Àádọ́fà, 120 Ọgọ́fà, 130 Àádóje, 140 Ogóje, 150 Àádọ́jọ, 160 Ọgọ́jọ, 170 Àádọ́sàn, 180 Ọgọ́sàn, 190 Àádọ́wàá, and 200 is Ọgọ́wàá or Igba. But note that the most commonly used for 200 is Igba. Very few people call it Àádọ́wàá. The most commonly way of calling 200 in Yoruba is Igba. Now, if you've seen the previous episode on this series, I think it will be easier for you to understand how we get this. And in case you've not seen that, I will implore you to go to the playlist, check Yoruba number system, and watch the episode 4 on this topic. So we said one thing is Adofa. How did we arrive at Adofa? Just like we explained in the previous video. So we said to explain this Adofa now, let's first take Ogofa, which is 120. 120. Ọgọ́fà, ogún ní ọ̀nà mẹ́fà. Ogún. So ogún is 20 in 6 places. So ọ̀nà here is places. 20 in 6 places. That is ogún ní ọ̀nà mẹ́fà. Ogún mẹ́fà. Ọgọ́fà. So, and àádọ́fà now means mẹ́wàá dín ní ọgọ́fà. Ẹ̀wá. Like I explained, these two R that start is ẹ̀wá. Ẹ̀wá dín ní ọgọ́fà. Ẹ̀wá dín ní ọgọ́fà is àádọ́fà, and ogún ní ọ̀nà mẹ́fà. Ogún mẹ́fà give us ọgọ́fà. So the same thing here, ẹ̀wá dín ní ogóje is àádóje. Ẹ̀wá dín ní ọgọ́jọ, àádọ́jọ. Ẹ̀wá dín ní ọgọ́sàn, àádọ́sàn, and ẹ̀wá dín ní ọgọ́wàá is àádọ́wàá. So, like I said, every number that can be divided with 20, it's ọgọ́. Like, here now we have it as ọgọ́, and here we have it as ogóje, ọgọ́fà. So the way you pronounce the next word that can be divided by 20, just go up, -10 will give you the one before. I do hope this is clear enough and you've learned something new today. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if there's anything that's not clear to you on the Yoruba number system, or anything you want us to talk about, maybe a topic you really want us to treat, kindly drop it in the comment section, and we'll see how we can hold a class on that. Your engagement will really push this class to people that need it. So do give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Till I see you in the next lesson, I remain Fatai Oyeyemi, your virtual Yoruba teacher. Bye.